Now in this video we will discuss about the positive hexadecimal number and negative hexadecimal number difference. According to O-level syllabus, here is a conversion of positive hexadecimal number into other number system. But how you can judge whether a hexadecimal integer is positive or negative? For this purpose, you need to look at the leftmost digit of a hexadecimal number. That is actually defines whether a hexadecimal number is positive or negative. If the leftmost digit is less than and equals to 7, means if it is start with a digit which is in range from 0 to 7, then the hexadecimal number is positive. And if hexadecimal number starts with a digit, means the leftmost digit is greater than and equals to 8, means which is in range from 8 to F, then the hexadecimal number is negative. For example, if a hex number is 7E9 or 2FD8, so these are considered as positive hexadecimal numbers, because if we look at the leftmost digit, so it starts with a digit which is less than and equal to 7. Now on the other hand, if there is a number which is 8C30 or 9CE4, so these numbers are considered as negative hexadecimal numbers. Why? Because if we look at the leftmost digit, so it starts with a digit which is greater than and equals to 8, means it is range from 8 to F. So these are the difference. So here is a positive hexadecimal number 2AC3. So if we convert positive hexadecimal number into positive denary, so first we will write each hex digit with some space, then multiply with power of 16, because each digit position has a weight value. So the weights are power of 16 for hexadecimal number. Then write value for each power of 16, which are 1, 16, 256 and 4096. If we multiply these values, so this will be the second last step. And now finally we will add these values, so it will be 10947 and has base 10, which is a decimal equivalent. So hope you have grasped the concept about that how to convert positive hexadecimal number into positive denary, and hope you understand well that what is the difference between the positive and negative hex number. Stay connected with the channel, like and subscribe Learning Factor, and learn a lot.